This might be the largest houseplant repotting you've ever seen. Check it out. All right, let's lay this bad boy over. Oh boy. Uh-oh, I heard a break. Uh-oh. Trying to be gentle. I heard another break. Oh gosh, walk with it. Yeah, that was awkward. Okay. Okay, the first step is we got to get it out of this pot. We're going from a 30-gallon pot to a 45-gallon. So Amy's going to take out some aggression on the root ball, smacking it from all sides and the bottom in order to loosen it up. This is going to be the hardest part of the whole thing, is just getting this pot off. Oh, that's what I thought. These fern roots. I think it moved a tiny bit. Let me see the stick. If it doesn't come out, we'll just have to cut it off. All right. This isn't working. I hate to waste a pot, but sometimes you got to cut the pot. Look at all those fern roots. Okay. We're out. Woo! Look at those roots. While we got it out.
Are those hot X's? Are they called?
We'll probably get the question like, why didn't you cut the roots or rough up the roots? Because you don't have to. That's why. I feel like I didn't get enough potting soil. We'll see. It might be enough. Let's see how many branches we broke in that process. A lot of branches. Yeah. All right, we're gonna lift it up and in on 1, 2, 3. Let's get it kind of centered. Oh no, I put too much soil in the bottom. Back out. I should have measured. One, two, three. Don't tell me. Okay. That looks like it's deep enough. All right, then we just start backfilling around the sides. Now you might see Tanner gently slapping that pot. For this size, that ain't gonna work. We gotta settle that soil in here nicely. Last step is I'm gonna tie this trunk to this beam so that way this tree doesn't fall on any customers. We wouldn't want that. At least not for most customers. We're done. It didn't go great, but it's done. And hopefully it'll enjoy its new spot and its new pot.